Bullish Ariva cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0 2030. Market investigators accept ARV could reach $0 2025. Bearish Ariva market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. Ariva presentation. The mechanization of numerous areas in the worldwide market has developed quickly throughout the years as the industrialization of, in a real sense, each part of human existence became typical, like food administration, transportation, trade, and the travel industry. This progress has helped the general advancement of significant pieces of the market and the persistent coordination of the conventional monetary market with the computerized resources industry. Tokenization of these modern cycles has turned into a basic component in empowering the development of the area in man-made reasoning, correspondences, and so forth. One of these tokens is the Ariva coin. Ariva is viewed as a cordiality token for vacationers, intended to make a broad informal community of elements inside the area, like inns or Airbnb, cafes, and touring, giving a consistent encounter to the typical market client. In this article, we assess Ariva cost expectations from 2022 to 2030 with the guide of verifiable information and high-level specialized examination devices like activity RSI, obstruction level, MIST support levels, impartial extreme oscillator, and different variables. What will be ARV least cost esteem, the typical exchanging cost, and most extreme cost esteem in the following several months, and does it make a productive venture? For what reason would it be advisable for you to purchase Ariva in spite of the cost changes in the digital currency showcase? When contrasted with the general crypto market opinion, as of now, the ARV market cap is by all accounts doing very much contrasted with the other computerized monetary forms. So what are the Ariva cost expectations? What is Ariva? Ariva is a BEP20 token sent off on the Binance Chain organization by Ariva Co. that objectives the travel industry and cordiality area while making progress toward the worldwide reception of the advanced government capital. ARV has become one well-known token from the main quarter of 2022 in spite of the changes in the crypto market. It has worked for the movement organizations, and worldwide the travel industry specialist co-ops reproduced on clients' past encounters and input. An explorer can make appointments with the cryptographic money while getting compensated for dropping criticism and sharing shrewd substance. Ariva is helping the concentrated coordination of cryptographic forms of money into the daily existence of a run-of-the-mill individual while offering the purchasers a stunning encounter and quick installment network with their digital currency. As per the ARV network engineer, the traveler business faces significant difficulties, similar to the need to convey cash and the misfortunes brought about as a result of trade rates. Ariva will dispense with these difficulties and make voyaging simple and valuable. The organization's fundamental point is to facilitate the expense of executing a high measure of cash while keeping up with the significant level security that the blockchain gives. They offer an answer for an exorbitant issue in the worldwide neighborliness economy, which likewise incorporates the consistent trade of nearby monetary standards before a client is taken care of. Ariva principal examination. Starting from the formation of the social money Ariva coin, the online entertainment presence has been noteworthy as a result of its inventive help and ideas with the dynamic local area of in excess of 200,000 holders. As of late, ARV was recorded on significant trades, including L-Bank, SushiSwap, DStack, Whitebit, 1inch Organization, XT.com, Hotbit, PancakeSwap, Asbit, Dodo BSC, and Probit worldwide. They have facilitated numerous occasions that title the development and combination of blockchain innovation into the business and have since cooperated with critical organizations in the area. Ariva has joined forces with the Worldwide the Travel Industry Gathering and World the Travel Industry Discussion Organization, two foundations that were made to globally support the travel industry, social exercises. The numerous occasions that have been facilitated in the principal quarter of 2022 were worried about the revolutionization of the travel industry and travel area that carried out the blockchain, expanding the extensive variety of installment decisions for explorers. Tokenomics. Ariva's white paper isn't all-around definite about the deflationary strategies and consuming procedures that are applied to the ARV coin. Ariva has a greatest complete inventory of 93.64 billion tokens, which was recently fixed at 100 billion tokens. After the authority send-off of the coin, around 63% was offered to people in general, while the leftover sum was assigned for stockpiling in light of trade liquidity and improvement endeavors on the organization. Nonetheless, ARV consumes a piece of their symbolic circulation of 6.63 billion toward the finish of each and every year, prompting an underlying cost ascend before a half-cost drop. The resource is profoundly unpredictable, however, has major areas of strength for an outline. Ariva current cost. Ariva is at present worth $0. ARV has moved 0.93% as of now with an exchanging volume of $2,407,447. Ariva is right now positioned 775 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $9,252,190 USD. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous Ariva market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Ariva Value Forecast 2022. Ariva, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The ARV cost figure for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $0. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive. However, it is practical sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. ARV is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Ariva Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Ariva ARV cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of a RV will before long outperform $0. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the ARV's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ARV will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Ariva Value Forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0. ARV might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. ARV is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2024. Ariva Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that Ariva effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money fans, the ARV coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ARV will be green in 2025. The ARV is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $0, with a base cost of $0, a typical cost of $0. Ariva Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the ARV cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0 2026 with a base cost of $0 before the year's end. Besides, ARV has a most extreme value worth of $0. Ariva Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0. In the event that ARV figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $0. Neglecting to accumulate the help ARV needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $0. Ariva Value Expectation 2028. While ARV is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $0, a yearly cost close above $0 2028. Ariva Value Expectation 2029.